Introduction to Machine Learning. Machine learning is a powerful field of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. It is transforming industries by uncovering insights and automating tasks in ways never before possible. What is machine learning? Definition: Machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience. Core concepts. Key concepts include training data, models, features, and algorithms that enable computers to learn patterns and make predictions. Real world applications. Machine learning powers a wide range of applications like image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Applications of machine learning: predictive analytics, forecasting trends, detecting anomalies, and optimizing business decisions; computer vision, identifying objects, faces, and activities in images and videos; natural language processing, understanding and generating human language for chatbots; translation and sentiment analysis; recommendation systems, suggesting products, content, and information personalized to user preferences. Supervised versus unsupervised learning. Supervised learning learns from labeled training data to make predictions. Unsupervised learning discovers hidden patterns in unlabeled data. Semi-supervised learning uses a mix of labeled and unlabeled data. Challenges and limitations of machine learning. Data quality: ensuring training data is representative and unbiased. Model complexity: balancing model complexity with generalization and interpretability. Ethical considerations: addressing issues of privacy, fairness, and transparency.